Before this video ends, I want you to notice how many times you feel the urge to scroll. That urge is the problem. I'll tell you a short story, and by the end, you'll know why smart people are stuck and how some quietly turn scrolling into income. Last night, 11:47 p.m., a guy, let's call him Rahul, opened Instagram for one message. That's it, one message. No plan to scroll, no intention to waste time. But his thumb had other ideas. Reel, swipe, laugh, swipe, success story, swipe, motivation quote, swipe. At 1:21 a.m., he locked his phone and felt something worse than tiredness: regret. If this feels uncomfortable, good, because this isn't about Rahul. It's about you. Here's what nobody tells you. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to relief. Relief from boredom. Relief from stress. Relief from thinking about your future. Scrolling gives quick comfort, and your brain learns that fast. But here's the twist. The same habit that steals time can create freedom if you flip one rule. I'll show you how. Step 1. Don't quit social media completely. That advice fails. Instead, notice one thing today. How long am I actually scrolling? Not to feel guilty, just to wake up. Because awareness breaks autopilot. Rahul didn't delete Instagram. He did something smarter. He delayed it. Just 20 minutes. New rule. I can scroll, but only after I create something. Create means learning one skill, writing one idea, researching one income stream, improving health. Scrolling becomes the reward, not the routine. And this is where it gets interesting. Most people scroll for entertainment. A few scroll for information. And a very small group scroll to understand patterns. That's where income starts. Every viral reel answers 3 questions. Why did it stop attention? What problem did it solve? Could I build something similar? Creators aren't smarter. They're more curious. Passive income starts with observation. One final rule. Your phone should never be the first thing you touch in the morning or the last thing at night. Those hours decide everything. Rahul still scrolls, but now he also builds, learns, earns. Same phone, different future. If this video kept your attention, imagine what you could do with your time. Subscribe if you want to build money, skills, and health without quitting the internet. Because the scroll never ends, but your life does.